Good morning, I am Luisa from Bogota, Colombia. Welcome. Let's look at weather for this week. So today, Monday in Bogota. So I recommend that staying home. The temperature for today will be 16 degrees, which allow less 10 degrees. This evening it will snow. Is not a good day for get out of home. In tomorrow, this week, um, in tomorrow Tuesday, it will be very cold, but in the afternoon it will be sunny, and you can go for it at ice cream. The temperature will go up 13 degrees. A pretty sunny day. On Wednesday, it will be too sunny, 14 degrees. Perfect for go to do exercise. But in the afternoon, the city will be cold and a little raining. You must stay home. On Thursday, will strong winds. I recommend stay home or going out with light clothes, umbrella or raincoat. The temperature will be 9 degrees. It will be warm in the afternoon hours with a temperature of 25 degrees with a light wind. Finally, on Friday in the morning, being very sunny, perfect to meet with friends. In the evening, be rain. The temperature will be less 2 degrees. Thank you. I am Luisa Amado for the news. Have a good day. Bye bye.